Yeah, welcome back to my channel. That we can see this is a Gvovg earpods. That we can see the box. Now we will see how the uh, airpod look like, and then we will be talking about the specification that is the specification is worth for the price only for $8. It is very less expensive airpods. So let's check what exactly you are getting. That is actually a charge case. The case that you are getting is was very small and very beautiful, that we can see, and it's very small, and you can see the how the earbuds are beautiful. So you are only getting in this price only earbuds and charge case, and it is actually a type C cable. So you have to, if you have a charger, then you can directly connect that charger to it for charging purposes. Now we can see how the customer review rating is. Yeah, now coming to a specification part, that Gvovg Gvovg wireless headphones Bluetooth. So exactly it is a earpods actually. So the pricing, it's around $8, and the delivery charges were $10.10. That is okay, I think. So what the earbuds does have, let's see. So ENC support does have, so definitely for mic ENC support. That means if you walk around anywhere, so there will be no any issue facing. You will be during calls, during walking, you are not gonna face any problems of calling. So it is very good. 5.3 Bluetooth is running definitely for iOS, and it does have many features like the button that you, as we know that it's all of fingerprint, and waterproof resistance. All of these things are there. So just want to know exactly. Now we have already seen the specification. Now have to look about how the product is actually. So the quality of product is very good. People are so much quite satisfied about the sound quality, and expensive Bluetooth, great quality and easy to connect. Sound quality is also good. And it is actually very good in terms of battery as well, because you are all getting 35 hours of battery. That means it may be last for 1.5 days if you're using it heavily. So that's it for now. I think that this is actually a very good earpods comparing to the price, and it does have a good customer review as well. So definitely you can go with this product. You can check Amazon. So if you want, I will put the link on my description so that you can buy directly. Okay, thanks for watching, guys.